Kemin is an MNC company based at USA as a corporate office. We have been in India and we are the leader and pioneer and leader in a nutritional solution. And we provide nutrition solution for food producing animals like poultry, dairy and aquaculture. And here we are particularly more focused on a dairy. And we provide what you call a nutritional solution to make animal more productive, more reproductive, healthy as well as a safe animal. We have a concept what you call as a total nutrition. A total nutrition works on three major platforms, namely safety, which ensures the feed as well as the animal produced like a milk and milk product are safe to human. And what we say that safety comes from farm to fork. Secondly, we also work on an efficient platform wherein we give a product and solution so that feed has become more efficient. That means the cost spent on a feed gives much more return in terms of milk, not only in terms of quantity, but in terms of value, as well as the feed made better to produce crop a year program. And last but not least, we also operate on a platform called a health platform, wherein through the nutritional solution, we make an animal more healthier and also improve the immune function and organ function so that the incidence of disease and the expenses done through the medicine and treatment cost has been brought down much more. In total, to put together in single word, Kemin provides solution through nutrition to dairy farmer to make his dairy farm more profitable. We are positively surprised with this exhibition because we do expected a good response, but the response is much beyond our expectation. I would like to thank the organizer who made it possible. And Andhra Pradesh is always known for entrepreneurs who bring in agriculture revolution in this country. Clearly indicate Andhra is going to be a major dairy in the map of Indian dairy.